I can't. I'm with Queeny, music theater goddess, and Athina, goddess, singer, actress, model. We're all belly dancers, and I'm Miss P. I'm just here. We're gonna do a cute combo. Can you follow along? If you like it, comment. Let's do it. Cuties, feet parallel, soft tuck, lift, roll, figure 8. I want 1, 2, 3, hold, 4, circle, push, pull, push, and hold. Again, 1, 2, 3, and hold, circle, forward, back, hold it, let's add arms. Up, 1, 2, 3, and 4, push, and cross, and hold, other way, up, lift, down, and down, circle, push, cross, hold, and boom, boom, model, and boom, I love you guys, and boom, twerk, someone came in and they were like, I took a twerking class, I go, I pee my pants when I twerk, I can't do that. These crazy cuties, can't take them anywhere. Look at them. Can't take these cuties anywhere, can I? You can take the girl out of Miami, but you can't take the Miami out of the girl. Exhibit A.